Hi, everyone. My name is Suzanne Barnhurst, and I'm your instructor for this summer semester's course, Marketing and Management Principles, or FD502 online this summer. I welcome each and every one of you to class, and I appreciate you taking the time and effort to take a course this summer. I know it's a tough time to take a class, so welcome to the class. My name is Suzanne Barnhurst. As I said, I'm your instructor for this summer. We have a busy 6 weeks ahead of us. So what I'd like to do is just give you a little bit of an overview of what to expect from the course, and a couple of tips I think that might give you some help. First of all, if you haven't done so, please go to the Start Here tab in the course itself on the left-hand side and read through the Start Here tab. In that Start Here tab is the syllabus and some other information about the course, about myself, my bio, why I can teach this class to you, and some other important information about my expectations. So please take a look at that. And then what I'd like you to do next is go to the introductions form and the discussion form and introduce yourself to us using the questions that I posted there. If you can, please use some sort of a recording format. MP4 is fine, anything off your phone, and then post a link to the form so we can get a look at you and see who you are and get to know one another. Let me give you a couple of pieces of information. This is a 12-week course. It's compressed into 6. We still have to fulfill the requirements of a 12-week course. So what that means then is each week, there are 2 units to each week. So if you go to the weekly units tab, click on week 1 and you open it up, you'll see there's unit 1 and unit 2. They comprise the readings and resources and assignments and information for that week itself. It's going to be a busy 6 weeks because you have to complete both units in each week. Where I can, what I did was when I posted the readings and resources, in some sections, I gave you page numbers instead of asked you to read entire chapters, because I'm trying to narrow it down to the most important points I want you to get out of the class. The first 3 weeks of the course is the management portion. The second 3 weeks of the course is the marketing portion. So we won't have too much combination and confusion, but you'll see we get through that marketing management text first, and then we move on to the marketing text for the second half of the class. Let's see. There are readings and resources in each section. It's the chapters of the book, and then I've provided other resources for you to help enhance your learning. You won't be tested on those other resources, but there's a lot of good videos, some additional articles, and some other things that are more real life than just what the text says. So give those a listen, a read and a listen. I think you'll enjoy some of them. There are assignments for the course. They are spread out over the 6 weeks as best as I could spread them out. There's 2 short papers, one on management, one on marketing. And when I say short papers, I say 5 pages. I mean 5 pages, excuse me. There's a management PowerPoint on a topic that's relatively, I think you'll enjoy. And then there's a marketing case study at the end. Again, short marketing case study, 5 pages. Each week, except for one, we have a weekly discussion forum where I pose a question. Hopefully it brings together a lot of the concepts you've learned in that unit. And then you must reply to that question first. And then you must reply to at least 2 of your classmates. And since there's such a small class, please at least reply to at least 2 of them. So for now, please introduce yourself in the discussion forum. If you have any questions throughout the semester, before you get started, about the text, about the content, about the assignments, you have several options for asking questions. One, you can ask it in the Ask the Instructor forum in the discussion forum section. That's a good place to ask questions that have to do with assignments or content, something directly related to the course that other students might have questions about. So if you post your question there, then I get to answer it for everyone. If it's a matter of something personal, you're going to be late on an assignment, you might not be around for a week or something like that, I prefer that you either email that to me, or if you want to speak about it right away, then call my cell phone or text me. You can do either. A call or a text gets you a much faster response than an email. Between the time it goes through the sales email into my wonderful PTD email here in Bucks County, it doesn't get to me during business hours sometimes all the way, especially on a Monday. So it's great if you want to use the phone if you want to get a hold of me quicker. Okay, so I'm here to help. So I look forward to meeting each of you and to working with you this summer. Take care, everybody. Okay. So now what happens? Did I stop? Stop.